Hey you guys, so I'm trying something different. I do have shorts on, by the way. I know this looks a little weird, but I am getting ready for Kiersten's birthday, Lambie's nursery. In case you guys didn't know, we've been friends for a while. And I thought that I would kind of restore this white body Samantha for her. She is one of the very first, first white body Samantha's because you can tell how skinny she is. It was one of the prototypes, I want to say. She's been in my collection for a little bit, but I felt that Kiersten would absolutely adore her. So I'm going to restore her hair and get her an outfit and get her mailed off to Kiersten. So I thought that the POV version of this would be good, but I'm not quite sure. So we'll give it a try. If it doesn't work, then we will switch over. But we're just going to set her hair in some rollers. It's fun to use the bigger curlers instead of the teeny tiny ones I've been doing on Barbies. Okay. I'm going to have to use the perm paper. Hold on. Perm paper / paper towel. Kiersten's birthday is on the 26th. And I think by the time that this is posted, it'll be after that, but that's okay. I know Samantha doesn't have like a whole bunch of curly hair, but I kind of want to just reset her hair in curls because it's a little bit frizzy. So I'm going to set in curls and then do a boil wash and then dip in cold water and we'll see how it goes. Kiersten does not know about this, and if she watches the video, she will. So well, let's see if she watches it. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm trying to stay so still while also do this. It's gonna get that line. I'm gonna change the way I do this because I always end up getting that ridge there. And I'm like, why did I do that? Okay. All right. Okay, we had to move this because the POV one was not working on it. Was not working. So we're just gonna do this weird version here. I promise you guys, I'm gonna get better at this. Promise. Ah! God, you guys. Ugh. You guys. Okay. Hello. All right. Hooking it underneath takes a little bit of practice, but it's so much better than getting that ridge. You can see like scalp here. She's definitely very old. I got my first Samantha in 92. Yeah, 92 or maybe 91. I can show you exactly what it looked like because I was able to get two of them that looked so similar to what I had. She had really dark hair, like really dark hair. So when I started collecting American Girl dolls last year, I was surprised at how light Samantha's hair was, or, could get. And it was so beautiful. I swear, every single Samantha doll is different. Every single one. Even the ones today. I mean, they look very different today. All right, so these are different links. So I'm gonna this might not be the high-tech way to do it, but okay. I'm like a part-time hairdresser, guys. Only on doll hair. Okay. This hair is so different in lengths. Hard. Okay. Hopefully that stays. This one did not. Okay. I know there's somebody out there like screaming at me, like, you're doing this wrong. Hopefully not. Okay. Okay. See, if I go up here, it'll do the ridge, but if I go under, I feel like it's not as secure, but that's okay. Maybe I can anchor it with like a bobby pin or something. I didn't put any conditioner on her hair or anything like that because I didn't want it to look greasy, but I'm starting to wonder if I should have. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Okay. All right, so this hair is going under. All right, we're gonna go under again. All right. Ah, again, you guys. These might be too big, but that's all right. All right, ma'am. She's got a little bit of a sticky eye, but that's okay. Kiersten will love her no matter what. All right.